Hi, my name is Dawn Tarquinio and I'm the proud principal at Woodland Elementary School. We're really excited to welcome our new employees here in all areas of our building between art and music and special areas and our classroom, special education. Got some great new people on board. Can't wait for everybody to meet them. We've got a new theme this year. It's called Woodland Friends, Life is Good in the Woods. We're still going to focus on our leadership with the leader in me. That's why we have our new shirts, Keep Calm and Lead On. We're really excited about getting this school year started. We're doing some great things with reading and math. Can't wait to see everybody back. If you want more information about Woodland Elementary, you can reach us at 270-352-5828.
Hi, my name is Shamika Harden. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator at Woodland Elementary School, and we're set up here today at Open House to sort of let our families know what we do at the Family Resource Center. We try to help families if they're in a time of need or if they have something going on that's keeping their student from being successful in learning. We help overcome those barriers. A big part of what I do is just making referrals or giving information or helping our families navigate what's going on in our community. So I just try to help and make that link between home, school, and the community. So that's what we do. Today we're having a lot of fun and just giving out information. So for more information about the Family Resource Center, you can call me at 270-352-0172, or you can find us on the Woodland Elementary School web page, and there's a link for the Family Resource Center. Thank you.
Hi, I am Karina King. I am the new music teacher here at Woodland Elementary School, and I am so excited for this year. Parents, if you need to contact me, I am more willing to answer any emails. My email is coreena.king@harden.kyschools.us.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Tabb. I'm the librarian here at Woodland, and for our open house night we have a sign that says we can't wait to get our hands on a good book, and all the kids are making a handprint and putting their name on it, and then they're taking a free bookmark with them to encourage them to come to the library.
Spread your fingers out. Spread, here's an empty spot. Ready to do it? Let's spell your name.
My name is Heidi Brown. I'm the president of the PTA for 2018 to 2019. The PTA is for different things, activities for the school, for our students. There's a lot of different things I would like to change, add, so that really no kid is left behind. We'll have more participation from kids that are lower than others. So for it's $5 membership, and that's for the whole year. So come out, sign up, contact me. The school has my number, and then the more kids we have, the more parents, the better off our students will be from 1st through 5th.
My two younger daughters did 2 camps this year during the summer, and they did a day camp. So they had a great time. Kayaked, and we slept in the trees like sloths hanging from it.
Hi, I'm Sandra Singleton, and I am with Hardin County Skills U. We do credentials, career, and college. So come out and see us if someone is in need of a GED or their high school diploma. That's what we do. And if you're wanting to learn English as a second language, we're also available. Contact us at 270-769-8866. I don't like doing that very much. I don't like your brother.
Yeah, he can have that one.
Oh, well, let's see both of them.
There you go.
My name's Ethan.
My name's
I'm going to be in
Elijah.
4th grade.
My name's Elijah. I'm going to be in 2nd.